Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Toppers World. My name is Praveen Kumar and today I am having a very important tutorial for you that is based upon list of headings. Friends, list of headings are very difficult kind of questions in IELTS reading, whether it is academic or journal, and the students, especially who are the beginners, they face a lot of troubles in this section. List of headings can be in passage 1, passage 2, passage 3. Generally, it is believed that the list of headings which are in the passage 1, they are quite easier. Second one are a bit tricky, and if you get them in the passage 3, then they are going to be very hard for you. If you are facing the problems in the beginning and even the passage 1 or 2, this set of list of headings and the kind of tips that I am going to share with you can be of utmost importance for you, and you can take the maximum advantage of this video. So let me share with you the list of headings that we commonly get in most of the IELTS reading tests, and if you get such kind of list of headings, you can quickly solve such kind of headings with certain tips which are, I can tell you 100% sure that they are the golden tips for you. First of all, let us study like what kind of questions we get in list of headings in most of the cases. Like for example, in the list of heading type, the passage can be related to any technology, any plant, any fruit, any kind of medicine or anything else. And the list of headings can be like uses of dash, uses of internet, uses of coffee plant, or any other kind of uses of any kind of technology like transportation, or we can say any water technology. Benefits of dash, types of dash, difference between dash and dash, drawbacks or limitations of dash, cost of something can be there, discovery of something, location of something, and problems of something. Most of the headings are based upon such kind of situations, or we can say questions. Now, if you are having heading as a uses of something, it means that in the paragraph you will read applications of any kind of technology, how this technology can be used in this thing or in that thing or in other kind of things. So, most important keywords that will be in such kind of passages will be applications. So, whenever you find such word applications, it means that the passage is about uses of any kind of technology or any kind of thing. If the heading is benefits of something, so benefits means advantages. So, you look for such words like advantages or gains, gains of or benefits of any kind of fertilizer or any kind of technique. So, if you find the words like advantages or gains, it means that that paragraph is about benefits, and you locate these words and put this heading as your answer. Then next one is types. So, if the types of something is there, so types can be written as like kinds or grouping of something, like the certain things can be grouped or classified. So, classified or groups, such words can be there. There are different kinds of software, different kinds of hardware available in the market, such and such, for example. So, this type of question like related to types will have keywords like kinds, classification, grouping. Then another important question in list of heading is which is almost in every kind of headings you can find. It's about difference between dash and dash. There can be two periods, there can be two technologies, there can be two different things, two or more than two different things can be there, and you have to find out the differences between them. So, in case of such kind of heading differences type, you will find the keywords like the earlier earlier technology was of such type and present time this type. Earlier, present, bigger than, smaller than, richer than, poorer than, have more uses than, have less uses than. Earlier it was better, now it was something like deteriorating. So such kind of words could be there that will help you to ascertain that or guess that this question is heading is related to differences between two terminologies. The next one is drawbacks or limitations of something. So when limitations or drawbacks type heading would be there, then in the paragraph you will find the words like it has many negative uses, how it harmed something, harmful, dangerous, negative uses, negative consequences. Such kind of words would be there that will help you to ascertain or make judgment that this is regarding drawbacks. If the heading is having word like costs, expenditures, finances, so you will surely find lot of data in that kind of passage. In the passage where there is lot of data like money terms like dollars, pounds, $10,000, $20,000 and pounds or rupees are mentioned, it is clearly that something cost or related to expenditures, or that heading can be related to any earnings. So look out for such kind of figures in any paragraph, then focus over there whether they are talking about expenditure or earning or cost. So it's quite easy to quickly reach to the desired paragraph. Sometimes headings can be related of discovery of something. So discovery of any technology or any formula or any salt or any element, then the words would be there in the paragraph like findings, research, such kind of word you will get there, researchers. And usually such kind of paragraphs are in the beginning, first paragraph, 99% chances are that the discovery type of heading would be the first paragraph. It's not sure, maybe there are certain exceptions, but usually it is seen that this kind of paragraph is this kind of heading related to the first paragraph. Then location of anything, location of any kind of forest, any kind of lake or any kind of building. So you will find the word like situated. If you find the word situated, it means that this paragraph is talking about the location of any building or any kind of place. Then problems of, there are certain paragraphs that are discussing the problems of any kind of technology or limitation of any kind of technology. So this kind of paragraphs almost related to the drawbacks and limitations. The words could be like there in limitations, limitation word can be there, or hardships, even a disadvantage can be there like. So if you find such kind of sense or parallel wording in that paragraph, it means that they are talking about the problems. And similarly, if that paragraph, if any paragraph there is related to solution, then what kind of words would be there? If the heading is related to measures of dash, measures of any problem, global warming, how this can be solved. So you will find in the paragraph the information like how this can be solved. Such kind of lines could be there or wording could be there, or steps, certain kind of solutions, such kind of wording would be there that will help you to make judgment that this paragraph is regarding the measures or solution of any kind of problem. So usually these kind of 10 headings appear in the academic or general reading, and I think this video will be of great use to you to make certain kind of quick judgments regarding your list of heading type of question. Thank you for watching this video.